Just a quick follow-up video of the painting that took place. So what it was is, he did a prep of all these the window shutters, got on all the wood filler, got it all sanded down, built, repaired. You see, some of them holes, they look like caves, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, there was a new corona that could probably be found in some of them. That's how deep they were, yeah? Or a couple of little Chilean miners and stuff like that. You kept going further enough, mate, I'm sure you'll find the devil, you know what I'm saying? Look into the abyss, you see what you see, right? Right, anyway, so this is a quick video. This is the painting. You'll see how nice, like, this is the last bit of paint on there, yeah? So it's a deluxe trade, yeah? It's a brilliant white. You find this any shop, the deluxe ones. They are a bit pricey, but you know, I'm not being funny, no one seems to pay for nothing anymore. If it was in Tesco, you just walk straight out of it, but obviously I would pay for it, you know what I'm saying, right? And, but what we did, we put a primer on. It's a professional undercoat, it's Johnson's. This is on right, really looks like a really good gloss, yeah? It really does. You'll put it on, you'll think, if you've got better things to do, I don't know, someone's calling you up or you're meeting your mates, you fancy a quick one, you might think, do you know what, I like that Johnson's undercoat, it looks alright, I think I'll keep it. But, like I said, put it down, it gets rid of all the blemishes, but use this, it gives you that real nice silky feel and it just looks it. All in all, the painting dries very quick, so you know, it's the prepping, or another, prepping's 99 times out of 10 the hardest bit of the job. It's one that takes the most kind of thinking, more detail, all that stuff. Once you get the paint on, all you need is steady hand and all that stuff. Pretty taken. All in all, I think this whole job took about 3 days. It's just for the dry and setting. Because it's in an position, it's in people's windows, you know what I mean? People don't like it being open 24/7. So please, give it a watch, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Do what you've got to do, right? Everything's ready to paint. Just make sure you get everything. Have another look, There's nothing worse than painting and you realise you haven't sanded some. Go down, so all the drips go down, yeah? Plus you keep better eye. Once you're always going down, you're always going down, you see. I'm using a roller for this. Remember, this is just an undercoat, and it's just to get rid of the blemishing. So don't get too, what's it called, funny about it. We want to get it done because we want it dry and then we want to get our proper gloss on it. So, like I said, start up here. We're going to use a roller and a brush for this, yeah? So the brush is just going to go around because it's quite detailed, some of this stuff. Yeah, it's really nice. It's going to come out really well, I think. And this is the way people are going these days. Like I said, people are choosing to go different styles. So bringing back all these kind of woods and stuff, a lot of the times these were kind of boarded off, boxed off. People don't want to see them. Now, the fashion and the style is to bring them back. It's all natural, people like to see. Suddenly we live in the social media day and age where everything is totally faked and photoshopped and digitalised. But coming back to the houses, people are wanting the old styles. It's like the old pubs are kind of getting all that marble back and stuff outside. So again, what we want, and the brush is just to go down the lines and stuff like that. Don't even need to put really much paint on the brush. It's just to get the fine detail. I probably advise you to be wearing shoes. Unfortunately, I've got a bad swollen ankle and I can't fit into my trainers. Walking the dog, I'm buckled, mate. Who'd have thought it, eh? They take you out of the game, you've got to be so careful sometimes. So yeah, just be careful. No one wants injuries, you know what I'm saying? Really looking restorated. Restorated. That is the new slang term. The man them are using, you know. Man got restorated. You get me, blood. Fam. Sorry, fam. Get me, fam. Yeah, it's got cold out on the streets, man. It's got cold out on the streets today, you know. Some say it's always cold out in the streets. Cold in the sheets. There you go. Stormzy, you can have that, brother. I should be writing White's a Miracle, you get me, blood. So again, we're just going to follow it all the way down. Get this undercoat on. Once we get the undercoat on, then we can get ready. We'll get the gloss on it, yeah? Yeah. So this is how to do it quicker. So you got your roller, roll all around the edges and all that stuff, get in the inside of it and the up bits. Like I said, remember, it's just a primer, well not a primer, an undercoat, so it doesn't have to look absolutely perfect. Main thing is we don't want drips, and we just want to cover the polyfiller, wood filler. So get it in like that. Right, as you can see, it's patterned. This one you just get your brush out now. Again, you might not even need to put any paint on the brush. Just get it through the middle bits. You'll see just little bits down there, down the side bits. Just get in there. Around here. This is what you do with your brush and your roller, yeah? So use them both. They complement each other, yeah? It's like chalk and chalk dust. And any other good things, you know? Broccoli and green things. And in them, getting the little arcos, crevices. Brush it now. There you go. So now, once you start doing these, you're going to get addicted to them. Some say they're harder to quit than nicotine. Don't know if that's true. Could be. Okay, remember, it's only an undercoat. Get down on the windows. This is coming along. Yeah, it's coming along. Right, so we've got the radiator. I know people hate radiators, so don't worry about radiator, yeah? I've already dusted it, but just get a cloth. What you do, just go behind the back of it. Do it before you start painting though, and then it's sorted. And do the top before you do the bottom, because stuff falls down. There's no point painting a wet bottom and then you paint down on top of it, yeah? So always do the top of the radiator first. And again, best thing to do is get one of your rollers. Get a roller, and you go behind it like that if you need to. And they're brilliant. No more fearing painting behind a radiator. Don't be scared of radiators, yeah? Only people are scared of radiators are Eskimos, apparently. Burn their ass down, you see. I was going to say like chip pan fire, but chip pan fire is old fashioned, man. They're a bit like a electric blank. They'll blow up your gaff, you know. Oh, look at that. Get in there, peeps. Get in there. Behind this bit of radiator, you've got the roller, gets all the way down. No need to fear it. As you can see, this paint, it eats well, you know. It sucks into the wood well. It's a real quality, you know. Don't have to force nothing or nothing. Hardly any drips to be bar. This is the best stuff for skirtings and clients. And the good thing is this, the smell on this gloss is not too bad either, it's quite low. On a scale of 1 to 5 I'd say it's a 2. I don't think it even lasts that long. It'll be gone by the evening. Starting in the morning, gone by evening. Smooth. And then come up to the radiator. Like I said, you have to get one of these rollers for radiators duty. They take away all that fears and phobias. Radiophobia. Radiator phobia. So, amazing what a bit of gloss can do. Liven up your life. But so we can remember what that was like down there. It was pretty brutal. Now the window looks intact again. Right. Always keep your brush. When you see just these bits here, wait until they, you see there, a little drip there. Like, you see those people that talk with all stuff in the corners of their mouth, and you always feel like you wish you had a bit of a brush just to take it out. That's basically what we're doing here. But there you go. What's that, 2 days? And your windows are alive again, mate. Alive and kicking. Get it done, peoples. Get it done.